Hey everybody, it's Eric from Support Adventure, once again coming to you from Thailand. Now, a lot of people might hear that I'm in Thailand and see me with the palm trees behind me and kind of think, well, this guy's life is pretty good. He doesn't know how bad I've got it in my business. But in the new world of post-corona businesses, you can be in Thailand. And a lot of you might have actually realized a long time ago that you didn't need to have an office. You didn't need to have staff coming everywhere. You didn't need to be places. You just needed to be present online in a way that makes your business run. So, what's your end game? What is your end game? Is it to, like me, be in a completely different time zone, running a business that just functions with layers of management and systems that they follow, accountability among the different staff members, and just to sit on top of something, a machine that's working? Or is it to be stressed out for the next 20, 30 years, going to an office every day and forcing a professional persona on yourself for 8 or 9 hours a day while you sit being the boss and everybody sees you and you can see them, watch what they're doing and all this stuff? No, you want to set up a system where everybody can be them, be at home, do work that they enjoy, and be with their families, be in a place that inspires them, and have a lifestyle that's healthy with good food. And yeah, I mean, is that what you want? Because that was my vision in 2013. I had lived in London, UK, where I had my first full-time job. I was always working for myself back in Canada. And I had my first full-time job for 8.5 months in the year of 2012. I had a full-time job in an office where I went every single day. And guess what? I didn't like it. I was in one of those open office plans. I actually ended up making the server closet or computer storage room. That was my place. I would hide down in there and people could call me and I would come up and fix their computers. I didn't like the full-time job, and people like me don't. And a lot of the most brilliant people you can hire don't. They want to sit there. Like, I know some of the most brilliant technicians, computer engineers, software developers and stuff, and they literally sit at home smoking cigarette after cigarette while they're working, and they're the best people that you can find. And you're not going to make them come to your office, and you might even discover you don't even want to go into your office. You want to get rid of the office because offices are obsolete. You can do everything that you need to do to run your business with a headset like this. By the way, get a good one, get a Sennheiser. With a headset like this, with a smartphone that has a mobile hotspot and a Lenovo ThinkPad laptop. Those three things. Just have those three things. Go and be yourself around the world. And I'm looking for like-minded people. If all the things I've said here resonate with you, come on, just book a call with me. Let me sell you on my business and how we can help you. Let me, just sort of make a connection with you. I've also got an ecosystem of business coaches who can help you put structure in your business, who can help you get through blockages on reaching the next level. I, know all sorts of successful people who are looking for inspiring clients, and I've become an inspiring client for a lot of my business coaches. And it's time to pass it on. It's time to, get this revolution solidified in the world of remote working, of people having businesses that fit with their lifestyle, to close down the rat race, because you don't need to race anywhere. You can be fine where you're at. You can enjoy where you are while running a business online with people working who enjoy where they are, working for your business online. And the key thing is structure. And the key thing is vision. One of the things I have studied recently is being a visionary in a business and handing over the operations to other people, piece by piece, system by system, like I've described in this video. You need competent managers. You need competent supervisors. You need staff that know what the deal is. You need staff that like your business, like you. And then guess what? You can sit and make videos in a place like Thailand, offsetted by 12 hours, so you're sleeping when most of your commerce is actually happening. Doesn't that sound like the dream? What's stopping you from getting there? Let's find out. Book a free consultation call with me, or just subscribe to the channel. I'll have all sorts of ways that you can get in touch with me and the coaches that have coached me to get to where I am now, successful. And, whatever the problems are in your business, We can fix them up. If you're doing anything that had people before sitting in an office, chances are it can be done remotely. Chances are all you need to do is set up the right culture. All you need to do is set up the right systems, documents, implement the right tools, software, and well, what I bring is expertise on all of this and a sort of vision that you can join of, I hate to use the word, but enlightened businesses that are actually changing people's lives. I'm not saying I know everything about life, but I'm saying that compared to what I see out there in businesses, there's a lot of room for growth and there's a lot of room for creating win-win-win situations for everybody. And if you're on board, if you want to be on my team for this, if you want to run a business like this, if you want to be ahead of the curve as the world cancels their office leases, we can start now to put the right systems in place. I'm done preaching. So my name is Eric. Greetings from Support Adventure. Greetings from Thailand, and thank you for listening. Bye, guys.